We got this little chainsaw for Christmas. It's going to be awesome to carry around the trails, just to cut up the stuff that falls over without having to lug the giant chainsaw all the way through the woods. And other things where there's maybe just something in the yard, anything like that, that's where it's going to be really good for, because you don't have to start or anything, just plug in the battery and it's going to go. So let's go see how it works. Two branches down. It's pretty sweet. It is what it is. It's what it's made for. It's a little toyish kind of compared to a real chainsaw with the 28-inch bar, whatever you got going on, but it's for pruning, cleaning up a little tiny tree in the trail or in your yard. If you don't do a lot of chainsaw work, you got one tree in your yard you want to clean up, you probably get done with this. They make a few different sizes. This is the smallest one, I think. But if you want to carry it around the trail, you got some trails in your property or something you want to clean up, it is perfect for that. No earplugs. It's quiet. It's good for what it is. If you're trying to do too much with it, it's not going to be what you want. But it's perfect for us. So, it's good.